All right, so basically you get a welcome card from Blackmagic Design, another card actually explaining how to install the software. So if you need to install the software, you just go to the Blackmagic Design website and you'll be able to get the software, okay? And you get a little Blackmagic Design sticker as well. Another card explaining to you how to install DaVinci Resolve, which is a free editing software from Blackmagic Design. Then you get the power adapter as well. So the next thing is the Atem Mini Pro itself. So this is the Atem Mini Pro straight from the box. Looking at it, it has the same size as the Atem Mini, looking at the unit, except this record and live stream engine or buttons that were added here. Okay, so you got the stream button here and the record button here. Okay, like mainly this is the only thing that I see that was added. Okay, other than that, if we start from here, you got camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 4. Okay, you got still black, cat auto, fade to black, and then you got all the controls for all your cameras. You got mic 1 controls for mic 1 and mic 2, and you got the transitions here and duration for your transitions, or your effects here, and your keying here, your record and stream engine control here, mic 1, mic 2, of course, where you plug your mic 1 and mic 2, and then you got your HDMI inputs from 1, 2, 3, 4, so you can plug up to 4 cameras, and you got your HDMI out, which you can use to preview all the cameras coming in. So basically this is one of the biggest difference between the Atem Mini Pro and Atem Mini. And you have the USB out, which you can use to record, and you can actually use it to send the program out to OBS or any other live streaming software as a webcam. Okay, the last thing, you got your Atem control Ethernet port that you can use to plug in Ethernet cable for controlling the Atem Mini over remote, or you can use it to bring in internet connection if you want to live stream straight from this unit. And then you got your power, and that's pretty much it. So this is the back of the unit, nothing really fancy, and it's pretty light. And yep, so this is it.